person ada angin desajing this I have been speaking in seminar and workshop for some many times, and even if I speak Tamil literature, I speak in English maybe, but then I'll try. Yeah. I was a student of this college somewhere in 1981. Chile iwi Ojajina Kigahame Tamgul Tamnau Lela Chile Geo Lele Dahanjin Ojaj English Ojani. I was a student of science. I thought of becoming a medical doctor, but unfortunately I could not succeed. China and MK Sinraibri Tamkun Miwulu Jibadi translate Kasantuan. I was just a boy of 15 years and I cannot help him out. China first literature interest community only. China Mathanri arts now science arts science economics economics honors economics honors China Chile alternative English alternative English you take English honors. The students sitting in honors class, their English are so horrible. Yours is a little better. Your English is fantastic. China. MA Tamrada Bombay Liwai. Chile Bombay Likwa Liwi. Chile Kakapur Bombay was Sunari Kaliatu. Chile Sugesti Limi kind of China Iwi Pisawa Zamsa Iwi Tadi like China Iwi Kigarit Otia Kusara like Iwi Certificate Badi Railway me on me China Mia to the Pixar. Luckily my cousin was studying law. So I got the certificate out there. China it me certificate here. Mina the money five day. Chile in the chicken opening down. Chile in a clever figure. Entrance in MA English. The shop side. English come tiny. Entrance luckily I was selected and I studied in Pune University. What did you do after your graduation? Since I know many languages in Manipur, so I want to study linguistics. China and linguistic, of course, very scoring, but when you go for job, there are no Tambakli 1969 student in Malaysia, Malaysia Malaysia. Tala iwi kong nai binti, lakwa kabui, lakwa kuki, jaga I kabui tu ya ada sati, jena kami ngomong waka, iling batu matin, kampung pilih kaka batu matin. Jena Akrok ila number si saja mati mati ga itu ni mati ram Akrok ila kami ya Jena kali upuli ila first kapamdi awan tang ni pamdi Jena awan tang jili bangga ila kada umpun tu Kang som tadai dari number si ti ada pulji sawe Jena ada ina Enfield thauji ile Enfield is select side ile Enfield hi hapok kane hapok laga Jena miwa isong wang son now bintang kun now tai ko they go for field work. They return home and they collect many materials and came back. As temples are very developed, they might be having lots of materials. First in Sambani was a YK Simre. YK Simre li Sambani. Jaina and material kami. Jaina in and us. Ina awiji the pala ya baca tampul tu ilirai mesin baik le ya ina hang jin tampul tu ilirai mesin baik le ili hang jin oh thala jina matang le kiga I ramyol tham yang ais ali in solake jin matang le iba students out there Ada Jumathanri ina kiga yang kau pada yang kau long le sama ni Jena ina sola cia ning hor become the IS ni ala lai ni Jena alila wai Jena ali la kerajaan sajing ni Jena ning hor Jena tangga NG boleh Matik ledang NG boleh bahayis ala lari kabi Jena ali sama ada oja YK ya ran mesin bain ni ji dambu tinggi dahang Jena bis amusau ran mesin di dahang Jena oh dambu tinggi ran mesin baik Jena cili laga Lai tapi kigane es kan lai oja kiga miksa JNK sinlai miksa pasun sinlai jinne jinne thanli es kan lai jinne kan li saja je at milari first tapi ne tangkol jena jiwle ila oja kan lai wi sin puli sin di phala ga wa Elis saja ada kenal nabi saya, jadi Alila dilai jika kau sawah dia lari kami, jadi ini lain lari ke home negara. The books which I collected from them, I am going to show you. YK Simre na sawawi MK Simre Yurka ina kita ya Yurka ina kita ini boy Jena awin sawe kiga tangkul poetry book 1 the alchemy jili awon sini dan ni jili Ngahong Milan yang Jena ina tangkul folklore da ina Meitei ina YK Simre ina PJ ina Meitei ina kalik sali over then jiwitili eskan railway tangkul chancam laga eskan railway France kawa ki kui leo wen aga awi dari aga kini lagi sama minggu dah ngerasa jena yang kau aja yang kau di isi kolej principal selesai ke cili anak tunjam my country dari tepi jena pilih anak drama ini my country ini semasa ke tepi jena cili kajian kui laser jadi himang ewa ini kelek sari. With this book I cannot produce a thesis of 300 pages, and there was no supporter. I mean, who have written some commentary on this on Tamil literature. E.g. Klinkai sana. Oh, ini. Jena. Tamil novel ni ada kecungan deh. Tamil novel ini cili kesunau suami we John Miller ini ningkler, karena bingat iklir bah. John Miller ini ningkler this is the first Tamil novel. Okay, I got it from the author himself. Hina Tamil novel ini John Miller ini ningkler. John Miller ini ningkler ni semua kerja. There was some hindrance from the family, and that the boy ran away and became a soldier, and he was staying at Kashmir. Okay, afterward, when he returned with as a successful person, really, and they live happily ever after. Okay. Then ada jual lekah kamilo. Yes. Jadi isina, since I was so weak in Tamil, I read Tamil Bible, Holy Bible, and song also. The song also I tried to memorize myself. How a syllable is formed in Tamil. No, like the thak the other lang, we write thak the. Okay, ta and da are different. Okay, in Tamil also we have the very sweet voice, a sweet sound. Thak the, pa the, na, lady la, je Tamil la, ini pernah begini la. Aponji, we love God. We love the sound. We love the words. Yeah. Poets are lovers of words. We are all lovers of words. No, not my boy chose the last hand. It's only words. All that I have to take your heart away. Boy George. This Ning Hall, Kratoli Ali Chokchai, Uza Chokchai Koi, Chili, Awi, and we come, we figure. Lawon to one darkly, long in Taraki, in a Bahataka, our Levi. Now, IS officer at Halaki is a very simple person. He lives in Village. Last year down, Rhyme, I don't know, but he has his own rhythm and he has his own meter. Meter, he would take that to me, maternity. I read this Angami being a rhythm nilite, meter la pade, saying ituna, Taiga in it. Kali meter in Saur, where will you give your meter? Then feminine meter, feminine and masculine. Masculines are what? There was an Englishman who could read out 6,000 words in 1 minute. Long competition, 6,000 words in 1 minute. Englishman have decided. Only now verb, adjective, and adverb. Parts of speech now being a 90 day to me, the article in Munsan, it only parts of speech, parts of speech, Chile. Anyway, this four noun, adjective, adverb, and this verb, these are important. Verb is the what? Nerve of the sentence. No way, he was masculine. You have to accent, you have to stress. Okay, then this accent, masculine. Which word, accent feminine. I don't poetry. Literature student meaning the literature here. Some in the big high like a park. Since you have told me, I will not release you so soon. Then, now we say. He, by chance, he Poinam Ayung Raikan, no, she's, I'm told that she's living that side near Kunatara, yes. He didn't know say and then the last year, but the bike they go. Chile Kaliksabai Awayna. Then how Lassen MC Ara, they don't buy a number first Emmy among number 6. He was even GTO of the district also. And how last year and another genre is this one. Howla, no? Howla. Ari kasong basi kasong dia kien thida howla ai la pizza dela da howla ai la pizza me jaina sangahau itu bahin la sangahau itu bahin la howla hi anna Kalib Salah Rakani, Salah between the Samidale, Santa Hawkina, that is Jilly. Then Ozaring down other poem with Aka and Kalib Sadel are we meaning me that are Aka, Oza, Dr. in How Orang and Danko for poetry in song. Long Aula Tidale Laga Arvidui living writer, Shirley, living writer Ilya. It is mainly na don ling wing ne ala to to de we simle sang mai tom the other he did a good research work. He even went to his this Punjab village and neighboring villages, and he collected materials and he wrote. He even tried to translate it into English. Then this copy I was asked to edit for him, and I helped him. Ka Aji Alwi BP le aja stroke side aja sara tule. He ala it ada kongi je te na da. We cannot call this book but booklet, small booklets ada kongi. Laga poem Jingya de la Jingya kanu to ting thile de Jingya I get to sa Jingya and Tangkul Tawu. His collection of poems are he compiled and published as Tangkul Tawu. Agachi Tangkul Tawu did really English in the collect Milo. He daily cultural meet other I tried. Okay, 2-3 months for a small poem and then finish. Alim Hanli, his tone and his wordings, ala tui sangin. Then folktale really hang kamaron karajan. Kamsing e simre ring merawe na ti ana issue folktale di kalik sade jene kin folktale trani tiga sade once upon a time or chinika there was ida naja jena takule Niara Kenala Vilisa, Lagani Musunga, and they live happily ever after. Jewish Stanley, folktale, it's not real. It's not, folktales are not real, but composed by elderly persons in order to now it's sweet, right? Certainly folktale, right? Then Hili tabitung poem mother tatung lagan mui raja sena ki pum drama mangli oda yang so sai jago anniversary hi GM Hall Yono, Chile Ilila, doing to Milo, the idea in it. She come to it, Laga Ina, Oza Ningho, we come, Oza Chokchai, no, and a son of women. The writer here, Reverend K.N. Simre. Reverend K.N. Simre the Pita, Ariwada Yang Sonic, Ali Praise Kasa, Jena, Ina, Mati Ina, Kalat Jinewa, Yaramina, Nike Gapa, House Lada, in the Tantra, and then novel is in the Kani told a novel Pamela. It took me a family and Naya novel from Talaga. After we see other wine rock like a jump. Mukubari chicken, Mang Rider jump. In a law in a science in order to improve our English or our ordering Sare jika itu novel pada novel really, in the college I did creative writing. So in creative writing you have first point is setting. Now setting with the where and where. The translator now where and where. Now setting. And then next will come what? Character. Now character. And this character, whether you will tell the narratives in first person, second person, or third person. Now, you see, Tampul now we in the art school I did arts, but I am weak in grammar. Now you have to be very strong in grammar. Character plot how the story develops. Plot. Theme or the voice of the author. Now you have to have what the author wants to convey a message to the addressee, addresser, message, addressee. In a country, in the Makuiga, the message is man and the addresser, then there is a message, and this message is conveyed to you, and you are the addressee. Likewise, how the poet addressed to the audience. I can show me now. He wrote an autobiography. Autobiography means what? Writing about the person. Okay, not writing somebody's story. Writing about the person's story. Then if we have to take our English Tampul literature seriously as a subject, subject other saga, but MIL in it, Lord, Liklam Filabu, Akalego, is Akatan, Liklam Filabu, Material Lamkin, J. Ellen Rani, Dila in a Grammy. In the Pai, I did some review in English. Yeah, I decided. And then novel Kale, yeah, novel Kale, not many. The person who wrote many novels is Jingya, and then there are some novels. This one, Marankoi Umsi, Jingin Lam, then Peace Tamang, Anna Jena, Uyo Simpson, Anna Jingin Lam, one now. Okay. Have so forget. We shouldn't hand by like them running salo. Novel Batale Kaisi drama. I've been collecting this Tampul literature since 1994. And till now, if a book is published, I will just buy. In the lawyer, now being now being general, Pare the Pitria, Matrala, Zanina, Halala, the Juna Hine. In the summer, Kigan Mige, they will write up Next, I would like to come to this language. Language as part right in the language Linchan Naida. As I say, I speak Romeo also, and Uki, and this Romeo Wilia to Literature Society Lila Itzani. Jane, Nadella, Mamya, Naka, Linda Hani, and Kim Hani. Language we hate. Tangkul says the pride that they were the first people who embraced Christianity, and they were the first people to take English language, to speak English language. But Tangkuls are the worst people to speak English because they spoken, of course, we are very good, but grammar we are horrible. Even in Corneli, ilakka sami sare bata policy, China, linguistic Rajahi, Malaysia, in the grammar to science when arts when Kigaran, we grammar pass. China ara lain itu kiga pun tu hi kiga common language sare pun tu hi tamme China ka kukai ko kiga pun tu hi Tangkul Bible train the tamola mo China klatawa punyali class 8 li acha class 8 li competition vai China sawana chili sam thahai meo China khai kutta thahai meo China nana khai kutta ji khai kutta kilo laga China ham mai na sai lo chi khai lo chi China laga chi ki ga ji wa laga dan chi wa China China kata ki koi di ji play China nhưng mà bạn khi lên chỉ lấy sao là sám hai là chỉ cái gì rồi ở Bible viết tầm hai điều đó tầm hai điều khi lên chỉ lấy sao là sám hai là khi ở đó mình thấy cái gan đào bạc này mấy hai điều này thì khá là khai cuộc ta asapin thì cái gì khai cuộc ta asapin khai chỉ là khai cuộc ta asapin thì ô lê để đó thì cái gì quy luật số cái anh ấy cần cái anh ấy vô sa chỉ anh cái anh ấy là hàng gấm ấy là lô hàng sai lô trái cả anh ấy chỉ là hàng gấm mà lấy chỉ cái gì là hàng gấm tiền nó thêm mà xin nó anh ấy chính là hàng gấm nó thêm mà chỉ anh hàng gấm mà lên này cái anh ấy lấy chỉ cái chỉ là sai cái gì chỉ thầy đã muốn gì chỉ là tầm này đó ít luôn đi làm cái chiều này tuy là thầy sai để đó tuy là thầy sai để thùng đi làm chỉ những thùng nào each and every Tangkul language Tangkul village has its own dialect which cannot be understood by another village. The Hamde, all Tangkul intellectuals are saying, "Nithum like Tamla kay na Hamde." Tuya kay region na khalif na tuya. Ya, talu siya na matita laga rimuyen damdam tuya. Iu không nay chỉ rimuyen sai để đi lệ talu mathan tuya ila sa. Rimuyen tuya sala không nay chân là khơi không nốt là sa sơn lên. Thế nè, chị nè, ara humpung nè, ara humpung jadi, Iwi happening là tùy hàng ngày cái gì lecture không những cái là lúc người sai là cái hàng nó khô thì trên thực tế anh nhà iwi lúc người sai là cái nó khô thì để happening vậy hôm qua ngày na khi cái anh tầm đó tangkul kuntung thajen tầm đó pun và khá léo là khá chỉ area gì nung tum sang sát khi đó chỉ mai cái gì nung sang nung song thằng quay chuyện ở đây gần đó chỉ là chỉ khắc ca hai cái này đó và bây giờ xin là gì si ai cầm song chỉ là chỉ visu khi cái chỉ cái gì tùy chỉ sai này cái bây giờ cái gì là chỉ rồi bây nào hiện khai cái mũ công để chế là cái sinh chung sai cái gì là làm gì chỉ tai cái gì là ada practice sai thì nhiều cái sai đấy lagahi kamuak juga kampat benda matui gal JTV Thoba district tiga lembak pun poiro kiki bigje thumne puji achunde about 42 villages speak one dialect phonetic variety the other is nothing phonetic variety trên này khi như suy hin là chế ở trên cuộc tình lệ sáng rộng lệ trên này khi thà đơn lệ cơ ít thông là ít vào sáng là hiểu mà làm gì in là han là đây in là hai trên này ít vào we may have around we may have very distinct dialects among the Tangkuls, not more than that. No. Nên là thôn là iram tuyên tây chỉ mà hàng nó sẽ chỉ ở trong bên nông bình cái gặp gì cái chỉ nấu khu không đại đi thôn bên nông chỉ là xử lý cái thà là có xử lý cái thà đó thì chính là ai vì ai thấy là cái này just nên là khi gặp sao được cái này trên là đó trên là Tangkul tinggi kuwa ketunhade halala tunji kigane hatan le ile lasen ka kapi hitai bel hangale wa ikapa ke ka ko yar la okay because this is a literature class in literature we without reading a poem it's not this poem when I was a bachelor, not now, long back, 20 around nearly 20 years back I wrote. That in the poem that as Tangkul now he literature papa chumre se jang ye lari ga tha ba ta bi har poem ai ka Tangkul tue na ba mu poem la ka ni bai number si bai thấy chị anh chị xin lỗi anh là như vậy I married when I was in let's say 43 now I'm 63 before 40 I wrote this poem okay which I want to publish in our merely hand we last year really in the moment in other is Jane Vice here now to let in the home download or have it. Jane Ituna he story the he lyric the he the science literature the period which by Yo Kiga Oza Waike Hilla engineer yeah Yang Hao Hilla historian history na Nakatu yeah Iramba MC around like history na itu dah yang orang pun yang itu mana dan segala Korea was subject to so Korea now Delhi University li asawa jena Manipuri we so in the apply signing the how jena ice nawa jaga thing jena Luis ila class 8 in dan long time day itu yaron lakawe sana kawe ko alu minne yaron lakawe itu may sumpang sa lasem ko yaro yaro magkat may tituin kawa pagkansan jadi na yaro you worth around 1,000 ka in ito kamang kira Pala ni tumang nangan ya. Sangai son mirincu yarun aksada. Sangai son yarun melawi glory daily. Khalid cakngai ram kayang ni kau buat ada. Tapingai lapsong gitar sing day bedli. Mathin ni ma ngalakiolo tagaso renau bina. Mapui mara pamla la mang sang mi tuipo pine takso kida defia mi chan mi solong la pamtat ngai son na mai sung ngaya ka chide mapong thura awan si keeper itumni nei sa chan sa awan ni pi marai da rekre pangai ngaya pong da chon ni Anong nga nung po usod na opingin sang rawon ngaya lapsom marita uy kaskip sage jaina yarong pingwe milin kiyen jangdan yarong uy ara tipo ping na kahaw ningkan yati chat kala ningkan ay napang lami ping le karnaw pa medjat Iwi inawa kiga sarjini oja ya oja ek ala kar ing mi amaham sida jam ko he lasim lasim ne rain ne simbain ne jadi in fix syllable thada khani laga ina rain ji sinta ji rain sinta ji maya ji ne kapi laga 1,000 words chiga ta kani jena tia pan paratli how get it jena kiena kejia yaro pingna kejan mai sumia kiga tebo pinga macam lengga ja jadi ka acuan na menoleh yang kita kering, ngepokkan ni namai bukulung kedong, acuan ni matai keret mungkin cimang na, mangsam tu namai niang, niang kedong na, acuan ni lesiri kahai, jangan sahaja. Sang sat na may lining ot kachung ka. Ajon na chingni om kret ara nginga. Hang sat ajon we kapa kachung ka. Jena. Kas kitsau ge. Nimpam itui kachi. Yaron ni mirinna. Kan gajat masili kante maleng sat. Uklung ot kesat kansam malaima when you're being li madan ni de hingai masat tine laga mangasam malaima de obutui chakna khungchatna yama wa tuida tunapli ngami ho yarso mi bingli amanga Manurun laka among type of trilly. Nasahau millionaire Mapay Puilla. Kawat Machikai Lasuali Iwi. Kasiwam Malay Hiji Malay Salala. Manasiara may say my Gaso. Hili Yaron Rafi. Yaron Soko Jodko Titi Kapina. Nala Soko Jodko Pitlai Satwell. Duon the Sagan Sagan Kitla. Yaron Sang May Jod May Sumpong the Jetna. Nala Sang May Jod May Sin Mayon the Bungla. Legacy Akalam Maklay Yarona. Simple Mili Umatoti. Legacy Akalam Maklay. Malana, Usai how Abu Dui Kiba one legacy. Alright. Pamla and Mokim Red Mahamsan below, Alaga Kigala, Amaitan, Maiso, the Gatti, she local as the professor Sasa. It will become a way. I don't know. Niagari Awosili Pamlali Low, Pamlali Valley, Pamlali Valley, Malava, Mesumra, Kita Sami, the Arabai, Joe the thing of him said that Sintuka said the Sintuka, like a summer, Malava, Alimutin, Jena. Rachel Liminga, away now, probably the moon target challenge. She last another packet. Mula Pam, Wapam, our Sinsare, Ting Malone, Kang Sir, Manat Akiba. Nama Ara Eofu. Sintung Pagatiran Ma Ir Titare Kungra Tipkada Sintungli Kongoi Kafu Tiko na Rachel Wang Abobu Labanli Kumsini Odram Natumi Ka John Wood Lia Limi Tiko Rachel Wang Abobu Kumsini Odram Natumi Lui Legacy Go Awo si we Jiaka Masada Mapungkra Ki later paper Kalaka Isi Simli Sagate Malayan Ka Sati Wati Jikai Wahatlo Macang Kalaka Jena Rachel Jacob Rachel Wang Awo Labani Kumsini Odram Natumia and in the Ka Utau New Laga Radabom Ameli Mulabu Zala Pumi Kamula Sasaida Luna Pupam Rachel Taulo Lialila Hansile or San John Gabam Bilali Radabam Tide Namula Long Chili. Arema Isani to Bila Rachel How Lia Lila Hansine, Hurry, as you will have a Trabaje, Lila Hansine, Yaron of the call. Allah Tamawi, Jane and Rosta Tanima. Above in the hang, Nalata Bangaina, Kasan the John, Katanga. Yeah, now we want advice going. Above in the Habop cigar. malah kita terji kerana jadi apa pingahan malah kebangding ena kesan beton kebang narai lampung da shopping wada yang lai mathai kepinji kui keleo mathai cumai da theo cekit lo la kada kapang laga lo ku gain cekit kamta so ejit theo reda kali tum sar hai kala legacy yang Changhai ka aning hao en kamay won yur ting wan hai sala la pogutri isibago na hen may tui hao tino ag simpanay ke isibago na hen may tui ya chigo ito may sine ada isi literature guideline na isi Damfuru literature hi UL big now li kacang bing hi mai no le kacang le untuk ni mai jika ga untuk ni buat kesal le no untuk na UL literature BA MA tamre jimela kawato dala ina itumi at least poem ina poetry ba poetry ina alekhiga novel khale hare drama film in the field of drama you are lacking much jena ina science ta mawida film website ai insan se itum at least ya don sabi itum ya sa se jena ina Damfuru literature ina seminar kawai seminar wa ke dia forest and Damfuru literature mitu and Damfuru literature jida board making and Damfuru literature ina seminar wa make kiga Damfuru religion and Damfuru dance. Nobody has done research on Damfuru dance. Damfuru dancing, karate, Jena dancing sarane, amatamane. Jena Manipur University of Culture, Chile, tribal studies, the BA in Hawaii. Jena every year I've been asked to send some students 3-4 in Jehovah in the culture he had them low maintain and just committee Manipur University of Culture tribal subject tribal department are there master BA MA even PhD as go 9 person will be selected for PhD. Now, they culture and Tamil also they don't want to come here because they are all entered to live for the place police. So really, the no I'm so happy and thankful to you. But then to me, sa ikada wherein lumsan nida itu maika sama lo je laga ihi ari hangla tuihi I love language so this few days I have been translating this Bible and then this Bible also when Petriku came here before he reached Manipur Valley, he learned Manipuri at this one, Jiribam, then he learned and he tried to establish his ministry Kai Aliyah, push outside the China Tangkul Tangkul. He was the first person who translated. Who tried to write. He go awila. He did write up. He did like young from the family. Jaina and Hopoke, which is it. Whenever some words which he and even the Tangkul themselves did not know, Joseph, Chithaji, Mete to Sano, Jaina, Mete to Sangaida, Isina, Mete to Bajili, Tangkul to Indian, they to Free High, Ningidam, Jaina. Another version of Tangkul language, Tangkul Bible is coming now. Kami siya rin yung tuwing lang yan. Kung saan yung tuwing lang, kada mo siya rin.